Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Okay, for today we are going to read a story of the cooking competition. You may refer to your textbook, page 62 and 63. Activity for today, number 1, listen and read the story. Number 2, answer comprehension questions. Activity 1. Listen and read the story.
It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class. Every month they have a cooking competition.
I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip.
Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted?
Yes, of course.
Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much.
Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes and a pineapple. What are you making?
It's a surprise.
This month, Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad. Her food is always bad.
Congratulations, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious.
Thanks, Miss.
That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition.
Faye, let's cook together.
Okay, Dad.
For 1 month, Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Today is the cooking competition.
Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. What are you making?
It's a surprise, Miss.
Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good. And Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Faye's turn.
Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip?
Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Faye. You're the winner.
Okay, now activity 2. Read the questions and write the answers. Number 1. What is Ted making? He's making noodle soup. Number 2. Has Faye got any onions? No, she hasn't. Number 3. Who wins the competition? Ted wins the competition. Number 4. Is Faye happy? No, she isn't. Number 5. Has Faye got milk and eggs? Yes, she has. And number 6. Does Miss Tulip like Faye's chocolate pancakes? Yes, she does. Okay, now do you like the story? You choose one face and then you color the face. Okay? Please complete your work and submit in this Telegram group. Once you are done. Okay, everyone? Please take care of yourself, stay safe and stay home. That's all for today. Bye. Assalamualaikum.